Daily use sentences with had. I had a great time at the party. I had a great time at the party. She had a beautiful house near the beach. She had a beautiful house near the beach. We had a dog when we were kids. We had a dog when we were kids. He had many friends in college. He had many friends in college. They had a tough journey last night. They had a tough journey last night. She had a lot of books on philosophy. She had a lot of books on philosophy. I had a strong feeling something was wrong. I had a strong feeling something was wrong. We had enough food for everyone. We had enough food for everyone. The hotel had a great view of the mountains. The hotel had a great view of the mountains. I had no choice but to leave. I had no choice but to leave. She had a bad headache last night. She had a bad headache last night. He had no idea about the meeting. He had no idea about the meeting. We had a long discussion about the project. We had a long discussion about the project. They had no money left after shopping. They had no money left after shopping. I had a hard time understanding the concept. I had a hard time understanding the concept. She had tears in her eyes. She had tears in her eyes. We had to wait for hours at the airport. We had to wait for hours at the airport. He had a lucky escape from the accident. He had a lucky escape from the accident. They had no electricity for 2 days. They had no electricity for 2 days. I had finished my homework before dinner. I had finished my homework before dinner. She had already left when I arrived. She had already left when I arrived. He had never seen a tiger before. He had never seen a tiger before. We had just started the meeting when she called. We had just started the meeting when she called. They had planned everything perfectly. They had planned everything perfectly. I had not expected such a response. I had not expected such a response. She had lost her phone in the market. She had lost her phone in the market. He had saved enough money for the trip. He had saved enough money for the trip. We had just reached home when it started raining. We had just reached home when it started raining. They had never met before that day. They had never met before that day. I had to wake up early for work. I had to wake up early for work. She had to take a day off due to illness. She had to take a day off due to illness. He had to apologize for his mistake. He had to apologize for his mistake. We had to change our travel plans. We had to change our travel plans. They had to borrow money from a friend. They had to borrow money from a friend. I had to finish my work before going out. I had to finish my work before going out. She had to take care of her younger brother. She had to take care of her younger brother. He had to cancel his appointment. He had to cancel his appointment. We had to wait in a long queue. We had to wait in a long queue. They had to repair the car before the trip. They had to repair the car before the trip. I had no idea you were coming. I had no idea you were coming. She had a change of heart at the last moment. She had a change of heart at the last moment. He had second thoughts about quitting his job. He had second thoughts about quitting his job. We had our doubts about the plan. We had our doubts about the plan. They had a lot in common. They had a lot in common. I had a feeling something good was about to happen. I had a feeling something good was about to happen. She had nothing to say about the matter. She had nothing to say about the matter. He had his reasons for staying silent. He had his reasons for staying silent. We had our fair share of struggles. We had our fair share of struggles. They had no regrets about their decision. They had no regrets about their decision. He had a strange dream yesterday. He had a strange dream yesterday. Thanks for watching.